Hello.
Hey Ajis and Bamba.
Hey, Ferdianza.
Guys, fly and fun.
Yes, I play football. It's my favorite sport.
I love swimming, it's fun and keeps my healthy.
Ferdi, what about you? Do you play and sport?
Yes, I enjoy feeling special on water.
Ajis, how often do you play basketball?
Almost every day after school.
Bambang, do you wish at Eiffel or the Riyadh?
Mostly in the fall, but I also love swimming, lakes, beach, during vacation.
Ferdi, have you Ferdi played basketball?
Yes, but I am not very good at it.
Ajis, do you ever swim?
Swimming teams during summer, but I prefer basketball.
Bambang, do you like any sport besides swimming?
I enjoy yoga. It helps my relax and stay flexible.
Yoga to school is more for learning.
Not really, you just need to exercise regularly. Ferdi, do you chill alone or with friends?
Why?
Bang, do you complete swimming competition?
No, swim just for fun and fitness.
Ajis, have you ever thought about joining in basketball team?
I am already to school team. Our now.
Ferdi, if you ever cheated in my marathon,
Would I love to be it someday?
Bang, my you can take us some swimming techniques.
sir, I did love to.